or something like that, which petitioner and 2nd District Representative aspirant Attorney Virgilio Garcia cited as unconstitutional ayon sa Article 2, Section 26 ng 1987 Constitution of the Philippines na nagsasabing the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibit political dynasty as may be defined by law. Pero hindi ba parang ang weird? I mean, guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service. Pero ito also says na, guarantee the prohibition of political dynasties. I mean, kung isipin natin contradictory kasi the political dynasties and their constituents voted for these people. That's democracy. To prohibit political dynasty is to allow everyone to have equal access to opportunities for public service. I mean, if we define public service as just that, elected or unelected office, then it does fall under the umbrella of the aforementioned section of the Constitution. Talagang it's a contradictory statement or declaration in its face value. Isa pa sa malaking point of contention is the fact na wala tayong legal na definition ng political dynasty sa ating bansa. I mean, the closest would be the SK regulations. Walang batas na nagsasabi kung ano pa ang political dynasty. Kasi nga, ayaw